Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program to define a module and import a specific function in that module to another program. So your task is to define a module and you have to import a specific function. So here you don't have to import a complete module. So instead you have to import a specific function and use that function into another program. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this. So this is my main program, and if you see that in the left panel, so this is my current working directory. So let us try to create a new file, that is Python file. So let's create a Python file. So let's say math module. So this is my module name and I'll be creating it. So once we create a math module, so let us try to add a simple two functions, that is add and subtract two numbers. So let's say define, let's say add, let's give x comma y. So this is my function and I'll be just returning the value, that is x plus y. So this is my first function. So let's define another function. So let's say sub and x comma y, and let's try to return x minus y. So these are the two functions that my module contains, that is first is add and other is subtract. So let's go to the main module, that is this is the main program. So here what we do is we try to take two numbers from the user and try to use this particular, that is import the add and subtract. So in order to import a specific function, so let's use from, and from math module, so let's import add and as well as sub. So this for the subtraction function. So we have only imported a, that is function, that is add and sub. So if you need only add, so you can just remove it. So for the demo purpose, so let's try to import the two functions here. So yeah, so once we are done importing a specific function in the module, so let me close this. So here what we do is we try to ask a user to enter two numbers. So let's say two variables, a equals 2. So let's use an input function called to ask a user to enter first number. Yeah, so once the user enters the number, so it will be of a string type. So let us convert it into a floating type value. So now let's take another variable b and let us try to copy the same and try to modify. So enter the second number. Yeah, so once we get two values, so let's uh, try to add and subtract. So let's directly print the that is addition and subtraction. So let's use a float formatting or string formatting here. So let's say addition of two numbers is, let's give colon and let's try to call the add function. So we have to pass two values, that is a and b over here. Yeah, so let us try to use another print function to print the subtraction. So let's say subtraction of two numbers is, so let's give colon and let us try to, this is and let us try to in the flower braces. So let's use sub and we have to give two values, that is a and b. Yeah, so this is a simple method to actually define a module, that is math module, and try to define two functions inside the math module, and you can import them and try to use them. So let me run this and let me show you how it works. So enter the first number. So let's give 3 and 4. So you can see addition of two numbers is 7 and subtraction of two numbers is minus 1. So we can also define multiply. So let me define another function. Let's say define So let's use MUL, that is for multiplement, that is multiplication. So let's give x comma y, and let's return, that is x multiplied by y. So if we keep defining the function, so it will not have any impact until unless you try to import the function. So let me run this again. So we have not imported the multiply function. So let's give something like 4 and 10. So you can see addition of two numbers is 14 and subtraction of two numbers is minus 6. So let's give some floating point value. So let's give something like 4.5 and 1.2. So you can see the addition is 5.7 and subtraction is 3.3. So if you want to use the multiply function, so you just have to use the from math module import multiply, that is MUL you have to use. Yeah, so this is a simple demo how you can define a module and only import a specific function in from that module to another program and start using them. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.